Light Up CC is a streetlight conversion project between the City of Corpus Christi and AEP Texas, where we're converting existing streetlights to new and improved LED street lighting. The new lights will save the taxpayers over $600,000 annually, and they will use about 50% less electricity, so they're much more energy efficient. We have over 15,000 lights that are being upgraded throughout the entire city of Corpus Christi. Other major cities within Texas have switched to LED lights, and they are more popular within the communities. LED lighting is popular because the color rendition is clearer and brighter. It attracts less insects. They have a longer lifespan of over 20 years, less carbon footprint. Nighttime visibility will be greatly improved, reducing nighttime crashes, pedestrian crashes, decreased crime. Overall, the new LED lighting will help the community feel safer.